Some things are manufactured and others are crafted. At MAK, we believe exceptional interiors require both the precision of advanced machinery and the skill of experienced craftsmen. One delivers accuracy, the other brings character. Measured with precision, refined by hand, inspected with care. Because true craftsmanship isn't about choosing between technology and human expertise. It's about bringing them together. Inside our factory, machines ensure consistency and our craftsmen ensure perfection. Working side by side, detail by detail, transforming raw materials into kitchens, wardrobes, and spaces that become part of everyday life. Not just built to look beautiful, because behind every well-designed home is a process, a team, and a commitment to getting every detail right. This is where design becomes reality. This is the MAK factory.